Hello travelers! Dubai has so many Hilton Group hotels, so here we go with the next one, the DoubleTree M Square. It's coming up. The DoubleTree Dubai M Square Hotel and Residences is a brand new hotel which opened in 2021. It's located in the north, close to Dubai Creek and Dubai Frame. We cancelled our first booking due to the bad upgrade of only one room category and tried again 1 week later. At least this time we got an executive room on the 19th floor. But anyway, it was still the first night after more than 3 weeks without a suite. I really wasn't used to that anymore. Looks all the same in this area. But let's start with the bathroom. Fresh design, plenty of space, maybe even a little bit too large. Brand new wherever you look. Let's move on to the bedroom. The design is great. A little playful, very modern, somehow special. Nice pictures on the wall. USB charger next to the bed. And the only thing which looks old is the phone next to the bed. No idea on what clearance sale this was purchased. There is no couch but a very comfortable armchair, so the second one has to sit on your lap, or she sits down at the desk to work. Last highlight, the view. Unfortunately, the windows are completely covered with a pattern, so the view is limited a bit. Probably this has advantages in the summer when the sun shines into your room, but on the other hand, it is just less fun. We complete the room tour with a look around the entire room. And next, we go down to the very bottom, to the first of 2 pools. As you can see, the hotel was that new that even the paintings were not finished yet. Down here you have a large pool area, which is protected from sun in the afternoon. If you want to enjoy the sun, you go up to the rooftop for the second and more sunny pool. Here also the view is getting impressive with some landmarks of Dubai right in front of your nose. It's very comfortable up here, and in May 2021 it was quite empty, so that you could really relax up here. Despite of the low upgrade, we enjoyed this hotel quite a lot. Price-wise, it is great. When we were there, it was around 60 to 70 euros per night. As Diamond members, breakfast is included of course, and since the executive lounge was not open yet, they provided some drink vouchers and replaced the happy hour snack with the main dish in the restaurant, where we go next, right after the gym. I was really flashed by the style of the restaurant, since it reminds me of my own living room at home. It has a very nice decoration, and besides that, also the food was really nice. It wasn't fine dining, but a nice selection with local and international flavors. And not only dinner was great, but also the breakfast selection was large and offered many tastes and lovely flavors. So all in all, if I need to mention something negative here, then it is the low upgrade, and also when I try to get a paid upgrade, the price difference was higher than directly booking the higher room category. That wasn't an offer I couldn't refuse. For the DoubleTree by Hilton Dubai M Square Hotel and Residences, we award 4.5 out of 5 diamonds. Are we done with Dubai? Not by far. There is more to come, so stay tuned for our next videos from Dubai. See you out there. You're Alex from GajaDreams.com.